I had this given to me. Electronic scorer, but doesn't work because of this. There's a spring missing, so got some old plans, took the old springs out, doubled the spring up. Should we put that in there, see if it works now. That goes in there like that. That fits into there. And it clips in somehow. Ah, that works. So, put that back together. Screw it up, fix it on, job done. And then, just clicks into that, I think anyway, like that. Now it works. Some new batteries in it. After all that, the probably electronics don't work. I'm sure they do though. Oh. There, like that. Oh. Into there like that. There's an on-off switch somewhere. Oh yeah, there is. Ah! Cool. Will that spring be strong enough though? Damn, I missed it.